Hello friends, welcome to Get Double, and now it's our special session for multiplication. So let's just begin it with some short term tricks. Short tricks is very much helpful in day-to-day practice as well as practice in competitive exams. As we are preparing for competitive exams, it's very necessary for us to have a good speed and good command over the multiplication. For that, we have some tips and tricks for you to make you even more faster in multiplication. So let's begin. Look, conventional method is, I'm not telling it's not convenient, but it takes some more time for multiplication. So let's not consider it for more multiplication, because if we have to multiply such a number, then it will take more time, it will consume our time in competitive exam, and time is very important thing for us in competitive exam. So let's focus on speed and accuracy as well. तो जब तक हम बात कर रहे थे मल्टीप्लिकेशन की, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखा जाए तो 9 वैसे तो बहुत बड़ा नंबर है, लेकिन फिर भी उतना बड़ा नहीं है, ये है तो लेकिन 2 ही डिजिट का. सो जस्ट वी कैन डू दिस इन अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स ओनली. हाउ टू डू दिस सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स? लुक्स, आई हैव शोन हियर समथिंग. We can use this formula on this. This is not particular formula, but we can implement it on this. देखिए यहाँ ये मतलब रिप्रेजेंट करता है 3 और 9 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, और 3 और 9 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है 27. So 7 and we have to consider carry 2. Now for 3, 9 and let's take this cross one. So for cross one we have to multiply this and multiply this and added both the thing. 9 into 7, 63, and 3 into 3, 9. So 63 plus 9 it's 72. So 72 plus carry here 2 is remaining. So 74. So 4 carry 7. Now 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 7, it's 28. So see how this bigger calculation can be done. Here I am explaining you, so it may take some time. You see, it takes some time, but it is not such a difficult task. If you practice more and more, you can get more speed over this. Let's do one more example. So how to do this? 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 3 4s are and 6 4s are 36 plus 2, 38, 8 carry 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. See how it can be done within a few seconds. So by such a way you can do more practice. We are considering now have you seen this? Now I'm giving you some examples. You just try at your home and give the answer in comment box. Starting with easy one. Moving forward, somewhat difficult. To higher one. Hope you will do more practice, and by such a way you can get more and more speed. Now we have seen such kind of multiplication, but there is another also method by which we can save our time, because time is money and we have to save it. So how to save it? Let's take some examples of multiplication which seems such like this. Now we have to multiply these two terms. Now it's simple, we can solve by previous one method, but what if we want to do some more accuracy or with more speed? Then for that, here I have also one more method for you. Look, what we have to do here is multiplication of 6 into 4, that is 24, and 7 plus 1, that is 8. 8, 7, 56. Now, why I have done like this? Yeah, I know it's easy, but why I have done like this? Here we have to check two conditions first of all, that is 6 and 4. Here this last two digit sum should be equal to 10, and these two digit sums not, but this two digit should be equal. Let's take one more example. Let's take 24 into 26. So what will happen? It's ultimately 24. 3 2s are 6. So see how such answer can be achieved. Look, there is also one more method for this multiplication that I will explain later on. Should I explain? Okay, let's explain. I will. Look, this method is more convenient, but we can use one more method for such kind of multiplication. Here, this method is if there is two number, 24 and 26, that number should be near to each other. So, for this, we can use one more method, that is 24 and 26. What is the between number of that two number? That is 25. And what is difference between that two numbers and this number is 1. So you see 25 minus 1, 25 plus 1. These two number can be achieved. So it should be 25 square minus 1 square. That is 625 minus 1. That is equal to 624. Now see, I have just multiplication of these two numbers, but you can do it in mind. Same way here we can also apply the same method, that is 75 square minus 1 square. So it's 5625 minus 1, that is 5624. Look, you should understand the square root of up to 100 for your better understanding, but if you don't know, then I will also explain this method in our another video. So stay tuned on our channel and please subscribe our channel so that you get more updates regarding the fast tricks to solve more and more questions. So what have we have learned? Here we have learned two methods. So let's take one more example for 3-digit number, which will be also helpful. So what? 6 4 24 and 12 into 13, 156. Look, here it is not necessary that 4 and 6 make 10. We can take one example so that you don't think so. 3 1s are 9 1s are 9. And here, yes, you have to consider these last two digits. Okay, multiplication of these two will become at last two digits, not one digit. And 3 4s are 12. So hence it will be the answer. I'm giving you some more examples. You can solve it by deciding which method is more suitable to you. Okay, hoping good. Give the answer in comment box. Let's go ahead. Here I have one more surprise for you. Let's see it. What if multiplication of 98 into 99 is asked? Then how will you solve it? For that, we have another method. The number which are near to 100 is the rule of 100. Number which is near to 100. Remember the number 100. So what we have to do, it is how it's related to 100. It's 100 minus 2 and it's 100 minus 1. So what we have to just to do is multiplication of these two numbers, that is 0, 2. Remember one thing, use 2 digit. And now subtract. Subtract what? Cross. 99 minus 2 or 98 minus 1. Both will be same, that will be 97. Here, see how it's easy. Let's take one more example. Let's say 92 to 88. So how will it be done? It's minus 12. It's minus 8. Multiplying by 12 into 8, 96. And subtraction anyone, it's 80. So answer will be 8096. But it is the number which are below the 100. Now let's take one more example of above the 100. Let's take 104, 108. That is plus 4, plus 8. So how to do it? It was a 32 and cross. But here we have to add because here is a plus signature. So 104 plus 8 or 108 plus 4. That both will be equal to 112. So here is the answer, 11232. Now the main things comes when one number is above the 100 and one number below the 100. Look, you have to be careful for this. It is easy, but by more and more practice. So it's a plus 2 and it's a minus 2. So how to do multiplication? So just avoid this thing. We will do it later on. Now here we will put 0, 0. And 98 plus 2 or 102 minus 2, both will be 100. Oh, see how it's come. 400. So let's take multiplication of these two. That is 2 to 4. Now 4, but signature is minus. So let's take minus 4. Look, I take a 0, 4 or you can take 4 also. So 4, and from 10,000, 4 will be subtracted. Then what will be the answer? Yeah, simply 9998. Oh, sorry, 96. Here will be the answer. So how? We have to just subtract the number. I'm giving you some examples for more practice of yours. Do the sums. Give the answer in comment box. Hoping best. Okay children, give your answer in comment box and like the video if you love this method for your better calculations. Hoping best. Good luck.